for the tainted candidates.
Tainted candidates will not write the exam at all.
That's the point, sir. That is what I'm trying to say. The 4% that just kindly allow me to
Just give us one clear answer.
Yes.
This we've been asking you time and again. You've been giving us very wishy-washy answers, beating around the bush.
No.
But you're not giving us a straight answer.
Yes.
Are you allowing any tainted candidate to appear for this exam now?
Yes.
No.
Yes, they are.
No, Milan.
And lordships may take this.
The unfortunate problem is this: I can't speak. They will only speak.
Very well.
Please,
Anyhow,
allow me to speak, please.
how many
Milan,
tainted candidates are there according to you?
Milan, I am.
Please tell us. CBI has communicated the list of
Yes, Your Lord.
tainted candidates. How many are there? 900.
Nearly 1,900 and
1,000.
One
Give us a precise figure.
1,900.
1,900.
19 and 11, 12. 1,900. Now, Milan, what has happened?
Let him speak, madam.
What is this?
Yeah.
At least in our High Court, we can't speak in all.
High Court, you can.
We can't
Court.
Sir, this is Supreme Court.
No, this is Supreme Court. We can't speak in High Court. In this way, we can't speak. So you are 5 persons are speaking together on side of the petitioner. I am one. Now, Milan, kindly just.
Don't worry, sir is with you.
Well, you said, sir, just kindly, Milan, just few lines. No. I don't. What is this?
This is unfair on your part.
It is excellent, really excellent.
We can't match.
Well, it is really excellent. Kindly do not raise your voice. My voice is so much, please don't do it.
You're the highest voice prevails.
Well, no.
So you need to train your voice power so that you can shout the loudest.
Not if I shout, whole Supreme Court will stop. My raising of one.
That is a challenge
Yes,
for all of you.
yes, my raising of one slogans in the parliament is stop. Therefore, no, those do not do it.
Now,
But kindly say, just, let us tell this, our difficulties I am saying.
yes.
Because what has happened is at the time of the making the online application, what they are doing, there is no filter. 5 lakhs applications are come. Now, whatever is coming within the we are immediately cancelling it. Immediately.
Now that you said you would place it in
And
the
now-
public domain,
Yes.
please check the applications which you have already entertained. Do not allow tainted candidates to
Yes.
appear.
Yes, absolutely.
It
And
reflects upon you,
yes,
as did your attempt to get them
I am not.
permission to sit in the exam.
Your lordship may record that.
No, not kindly say, just
out.
well,
We will
just
record that.
well, I just have
Better.
well, can I say one submission? Have trust on me.
We will record it.
I will, yes.
We will record your statement that we do not allow
Not
any tainted candidate.
not only your lordships are closely watching. I am also personally as senior advocate, I am also closely watching.
Lordships.
That much I can say to your lordship. But if there is any error, 1 or 2, all will be rectified. Nothing would be done. I can assure your lordships.
Well,
And when the reviews will come at the last day, your lordship would be here, your lordship would be see. And if I am alive, I would be here. I can also see.
It's not so easy to let him go, madam.
Okay.
why are you mocking the gods?
Yes. When ultimately, before the appointment, the matter would come up to your lordships on number of occasion. Your lordships will see, and I will also be here.
The lordships will give me just 2 minutes. Lordships, I'll put it in a.
Now you've already understood what the
Your
Senior
lordships, I'll
Council
tell the
has said.
difficulty with
If
this.
they have not distilled the candidates by
I'm putting the
seeing
difficulty.
whether they are in the tainted list,
I'm putting.
they will do it now before 7th,
That's one.
7th and 4th.
7th and 14th.
That's one. The second aspect, your lordships, is with regard to the examination itself. Now, your lordships will just bear with me for 2 seconds. Lordships will.
We are not going to extend the date.
No, I'm not on extension of date. What I am saying is that
Where is
they,
yesterday's order?
lordships will look at the paper and then.
Not uploaded, lordship.
Upload it, kindly take. Well, can I just yesterday's order?
Lordships, I've considered yesterday's order also. The problem that has arisen now, which is with the advertisement, that they are doing a selection for 2016 along with selection of
Never said that it
2025.
should be listed, restricted to only 2000.
Lordships will kindly appreciate one aspect. with regard to
You can't read something more into our order than was there.
problem is the problems that are being created. Number one, your lordships, tainted students are being allowed.
That they will,
given
that they will take care of, they've already said that.
your lordships will take care of it prior to the exam rather than after the exam. Because your lordships, we are sitting in exam.
The council already said that.
Your lordships, the
They will
exam-
see to it that they will not appear.
Your
In
lordships,
the event anyone slips through also, this notification which they issued will take care of it post examination stage.
unfortunately, that will not take care of it.
Yes.
Unless-
We are still watching. You bring it to our notice.
But in addition to that, I have.
Second aspect, now. The second aspect, your lordships, is with regard to the vacancies. The vacancies have not been classified. They have not been given subject wise. They have not been given category wise. There is an ambiguous number of vacancies which does not correspond to the vacancies which were under the 2016 advertisement. So your lordships, they must on their website also declare the vacancies for
You've not
2016.
indicated.
They have not
Well, all we have indicated, all these
Lordships,
points,
see this paper.
well, all these points were raised before the High Court in general, and all these points have been dealt with by the division bench of the High
That's
Court.
why I'm
And
before your lordships.
dismissed, they are dismissed as
And
all
they've
appeals.
reduced the number of
Dismissed
vacancies.
all appeals.
They've reduced the number of vacancies.
No,
At least
reduction is also not correct.
transparency and
That's the
fairness.
order. they-
No, no, Milord, that one,
Transparency and fairness.
let her say,
See, objecting.
Very
No, this aspect.
No, no,
we
no.
are going to look
let
at.
her say in which course is they have applied and that post have been reduced. Let them say from here.
I'll
Give the answer. Let-
provided to
I
me
will,
right
no, no,
now.
not provide. You,
If he's raising a voice like this.
no, no,
I
you
can't-
are having a, that's the reason exactly I have
They
said.
need to shout.
All that I'm saying, your lordships, is fairness and transparency, vacancies.
Milord,
must
Milord,
be-
Today, we are just going to. take
Milord, one more thing,
last
Milord.
sentence, and in terms of what we have said yesterday.
One more
All
thing,
that
Milord, permit me.
Yes.
My matter is item 54. In that, I have produced a list of the number of posts abolished, subject-wise abolished. So if your lordship just allow me, page item 54 at page 649. So now those teachers who were at item 54, my lord, huh?
Yes,
Lord, kindly have page 649.
yes.
Just see, my lord. On the right hand side, if your lordship see number 7, one post has become 0. On the same page, number 11, 0. On number 15, 0. So physics, anthropology, life science, 0. Then over the page, my lord, number 16, 17, 18, 20, 22, 25, 26, 20, 31.
They'll find the reply to
Milord,
this.
No, I am.
Your lordship,
So how can they be allowed to? They are not being allowed to appear for the exam now.
Yes, let them show from their petition that any one of them is eligible
Yes.
for that post.
Yes.
First one is the prejudice.
we all.
First one is the prejudice. Not you can't take in
An exam.
15 persons will file an application and take everything within that. That's also not permissible. Second thing is, we have filed an affidavit. We have filed the affidavit.
We have heard you now.
Milord, my friend
We
is
are not going to look into all aspects.
no 560. Milord, is that
In
not
any
a
event, we are not going to
no?
postpone the exam.
No, I am not saying postpone. Kindly just see 560. Milord, that
That
affidavit
they
is
will
fine.
find the rest.
No, this affidavit was filed in the High Court, Milord. Kindly see page 5.
Consider what they have to say
Not-
for us.
Kindly just see page 562, Milord. 560 at 562.
Let them put the vacancies
Milord,
on the
560
website
at 560.
All we have given.
so that they don't
In
change
my
it by
item
the end of
54.
the exam.
Milord, page 560, if your lordships have, in the High Court.
Kumar, we are not going to say anything. at
No,
this stage
because
on the-
about this post.
on these kind of issues.
No, Milord, a Nepali teacher, Milord, who applied,
By-
you are not taken because Milord, the post is abolished.
25, passed in SSC diary number 46049 of 2025. This for directed.
Lord, may I say something, my lord?
Please.
My lord, may I say
थोड़ा
something?
रुक जाइए ये
Yes,
पूरा होने
From here till here, we clarify that we find that the who brought out this public notice is
Chairman.
the
Chairman,
commission.
commissioner.
What is that name again?
West Bengal Central
Central Service Commission.
West Bengal Central School Service Commission brought out a public notice on 22/8/2025 2025.
25 8.
No, 25.
22/8.
No, I am
This was 25
No,
8.
that is yes.
10 days notice.
Yes, yes.
22/8,
That is 22/8.
2025.
That is
Giving
the,
10 days time to all the candidates who were entitled to appear in the examination scheduled to be held pursuant to the aforestated direction to apply, to submit their applications. The dates for the, we are further informed that 13,500 out of the 15,500. Is that the correct?
yes, it was earlier 13,500. By this time, another
Maybe more.
50 may be more.
We are further informed that most of the candidates who stand covered by the aforestated direction have already submitted
No, my lords. Their
applications. In the
web portal is not accepting some of us, my lords. It's not accepting. I have the printouts.
Despite the order.
I have the printouts here, my lords. That is all that I wanted to
It's
point.
not being accepted.
In the
Kindly just
event
have a look at it.
any candidate is unable to submit his application online,
They
the
can
same will be submitted in by way of a hard copy before 2/9/2025.
Great, my lords.
As the commission has already made arrangements to hold the examinations on 7th September and 14th September. We are of the opinion that no postponement is warranted at this stage. The
Your eligibility
And
for both the exams, Lordship.
Benefit
as-
of judgment.
As my friend has said.
warranted at this stage. We take on we take on record the statement made by the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that all the appointed teachers who are
In service.
entitled to appear for the examinations pursuant to the stated direction of this law would be permitted to appear for both the examinations, that is, the examinations,
9
examination meant for 9th, 10th,
Most of
And
teachers from 9th,
11th teachers of 9th, 10th classes, as well as the examination meant
11th
for
and 12th.
the teachers for 11th and 12th classes. That is on 7/9/2025 and 14/9/2025 respectively. Anything more? Right of the aforestated
One prayer is lordship.
the last sentence in the
Notices formally
Order.
for them to respond.
dated 21/8/2025. Stating to the effect that the further process of selection shall be postponed accordingly, need not be acted upon. And the authorities concerned are at liberty to proceed with the dates already notified, that is 7/9/2025 and 14/9.
Lord, my statement, the statement of my friend regarding tainted candidate. Your Lordship,
We have already said it. We have already said it.
Because I have annexed that
The
also.
list of tainted candidates would be placed in the public domain within 7 days.
I have put that on my paper book, my lord.
Maybe I am placing it by tomorrow.
Our order dated
I am doing it by tomorrow itself. I am only
28/8/2025, comma.
660, I have given the list.
Record the statement of the learned senior counsel for the commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear for the examinations scheduled to be held on 7th September and 13th September. It further states that in the event any such tainted candidate slips through the net and appears for the examination, the notice dated 25/8/2025 issued by the commission that the eligibility of such candidates would be examined even post-examination would come to the aid of the commission to weed out such ineligible candidates on the selection process.
As they are, as not the tainted are ineligible. As the tainted are ineligible.
Oh,
For the commission are taken on record.
but
As the tainted are ineligible, my lord. Your Lordship may reiterate that.
that's already.
Well, we wanted to
That's
mention-
that's
Two things Milord, just.
Milord, notice may be issued in my SSC.
Lord, I claim to mention.
Did they also condone wherever not?
Now, the concern is, my lord,
Just can I say, Milord?
Fresh candidates should not allow trust. Because they are allowing fresh candidate to
Fresh
actually.
candidates is not
Milord,
necessary.
can I say, Milord,
But
just.
may I mention, I.
Milord, 13,500.
May I,
It's
sir?
there.
Not mentioned.
No, I am not on that. 13,500 figure means we are not saying that because of in 2 categories the admit cards have been issued. That is the reason 13,500. Out of 15,000, if 13,500, if I just it is 6,500 persons or 7,000 have applied both the two is 13,500 and 15,000 out that 7,000 8 that have not come. And second, I will that's the request to all of my friends here. If anyone finds any person who is tainted, according to them, just simply write a letter and give the name to my advocate on record and we will act immediately.
We have annexed, my lord.
Sir, I am
We have
untainted
annexed-
candidate directly affected, sir.
We have annexed in our.
Actually, sir.
Address the letter.
case file here.
Yes, yes.
Sorry,
Address the letter to the.
Sir, I have.
This is unfair. Tell him to sit down.
Open call competition is.
No, no, you are against the law.
The name of.
This is not a public platform.
Indicating the name of any tainted candidate who has managed to secure an admit card, so that necessary action may be taken by commissions.
In our
Lord,
SLP,
may I-
Milord, in our SLP, we have given that,
Lord,
Milord,
may
we
I
have
mention-
annexed the admit card of a candidate, 2 of them.
Just
662, 60.
May I mention, Lord, Mr.
one concern the petitioner, my lord, the petitioner, what he was concerned is, they're all people who written the exams in 2016. Now they're 10 years younger. That they're competing with people who are, that's the primary concern, my lord, fresh candidates. That's the concern which they want to place before.
They have the edge of experience over those young.
Someone had to write a competitive exam, they have a disadvantage of age is all.
Request for reaction.
That's the concern, my lord.
that letter will be even after the publication of our list, which we are going
Which
to.
letter?
The letter I have sought that they, if you want to.
Therefore, they are allowing
You're not going to stop them.
No, I will stop them just after
In the
the.
event anybody brings to your notice that someone has secured an admit card, is a
Yes,
tainted
Yeah, that
candidate,
will stop.
you can verify it.
And
And
stop it. That is
Actually, Milord,
after publication of my.
even after that, you can do it.
Yes,
That's
Milord,
your notice.
yes,
of-
Actually,
And Lord,
actually, Milord, if you lordship don't mind, that 25-8 letter gives a permission to allow tainted to go and subsequently remove them.
No.
Milord, if your lordship read that,
It's a further,
yes.
it's a further
In my-
space for
in my-
them to weed out those people.
if you-
Post admission.
No.
So that they can't say then that.
They would have given the exam.
Exam, you can't remove us now.
Lloyd, that's